Hello everyone, so let's continue. So this is my script, and here you can see we have defined two parameters. One is client, another one is this one, user underscore prompt. So let me put this as a variable is equal to. Now I want that whenever I am going to execute this script, it should ask for the input. So here you have to use a keyword that is input, and just put some matter here like enter your prompt for the Bedrock model, right? And whatever you are going to enter is going to save into this variable, that is user underscore prompt. So let me save and execute. Enter your prompt for the Bedrock model. Hello. Now the next step is I'm going to invoke the Bedrock model. So let me first type here what is my second step was. Step 2 was get user input manually, and step number 3, that is invoke the Bedrock model. So how we can do that? So first let me print some message. So let me copy from here and paste it here. Let me print some message like sending the prompt to Bedrock model. You can mention the exact model name as well. It is up to you. Okay. And then just define a variable. Let me take response is equal to, and here you have to copy this function, and in this function, if I'll come back here, you can see we have passed two parameters. This one, just copy this one and paste it here. So first parameter is client, so basically it is going to initialize the Bedrock client, and next is user prompt. So here we have already given the input to this variable, right? And then I want to print this one. And finally, I want to print this message, that is response received. So let me save and execute. So here you can see it has executed successfully, but we have not received the actual output from the model. So friend, that's all for this lecture. In the next lecture, I am going to display the model's response.